So let's go up to the second floor. So the stair has a landing with a big double hung window that opens out to the garden. And the color scheme from the main level carries up here. And then on the second floor, there are 3 rooms off of the stair landing. This is the primary bedroom. And when I first found the house, this was 2 rooms, but it was super tiny. And so I had the wall removed, and I kept the French doors that go to the upper level porch. And I had closets made, and I have Italian murals that cover the doors. And then on the other side, I repurposed the existing historic doors and have closets here, and then had a little window seat made for this side of the house. The color schemes are kind of grays and greens, and because the house is on the top of a hill and we're on the second floor, you're looking out into the trees, and so I thought that the color scheme would be nice to carry the colors of the trees. It's a bit like sleeping in a tree house. As an architect, in the work that I do, I not only design houses and interior architecture, I've also designed furniture and light fixtures. And so I designed the bed, and I selected the fabrics, and I did drawings for it, and I had an incredible person build it in Connecticut. And in fact, it was the same people that did all of the window treatments. On an architectural theme, I also collect bas-reliefs, and so you can see that those are displayed on this side. I also like alabaster, and so I have alabaster light fixtures here and an alabaster fixture here. And again, I think that the feeling in this room is that it's not bright and colorful, but it's colorful enough so that it doesn't look like a just all white or an all gray room. The lighting in the room, there's a pair of alabaster light fixtures on either side of the bed. There are pendants, there are alabaster fixtures there and there. And I like low levels of light, and they're also switched separate from each other. So you can make the room really bright, or you can turn on 1 or 2 fixtures when you want a sort of lower level of light. I have a dog, Billy, who is a wire hair fox terrier. And wire hair fox terriers were famous from the Thin Man series with William Powell and Myrna Loy. And Billy is the 4th wire hair terrier I've had. So I have collected over the years objects with terriers. You can see it on the pillow, you can see it on the sides of the bed, and then in other rooms I have terriers as well.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.